Just as the snowflake drifts, falls, as do I. I fall to an indeterminate location, seemingly permanently, but that too is indeterminate. Where am I now? Surrounded by the wintry wisps of a storm, and with the company of snowflakes. It is here that I can begin to compose my lessons from a snowstorm. We have weathered this weather for what feels like a year. I do not know whether I can weather on this weather for much longer. A forecast that summoned merely 20 inches in 20 degrees could not have been more wrong. It has been so much more. Unforeseen, the snow has brought with it wind, cold, and a stopping of time. A year-long mandatory crisp and cutting deep breath. In January, the snowstorm began. Immediately, almost immediately, snow piles and sky hazes. Immediately, almost immediately, we can suddenly see, perhaps more clearly than ever before, those who keep our society running, those who save our lives, those who work day and night to take care of us. We have denoted them essential workers, but they are so much more than just workers. They are heroes, friends, family, humans. And let it be known that they are the only reason this whole out at home until the snowstorm passes thing can work. By June, the street signs are covered. These street signs, now blocked, can no longer differentiate between right from wrong. But we are not lost, no. We do not wonder where to wander in this winter wonderland, no. We forge ahead on the fresh layers of snow and navigate the storm ourselves, guided not only by our morals. We too are guided by discussion with those around us. We too are guided by a genuine effort to unlearn and learn. Some a little less genuine, a force of unwill or delusion. That is not for me to say. But our path, if it is indeed genuine, is on us, little by little, step by step. By December, unnumbing, a distance for so long of so far, having been in place between me and you and them and me. Whiteout. I blink blankly. I now exist in my own blanketed void. A blank slate. Inside I am alone, but not lonely. You may enter, we may pass, but only temporarily. Largely, however, it's just the unrelenting wind and thoughts to which I will not relent to keep me company. This void serves as a real and raw reminder to hold those we love tightly. For that warmth can offer music to cut through the unrelenting wind and thoughts, to which I will not relent. I will not. I hope for the day I have the privilege to hold your hand again. The colors that will satiate my soul. Until then, all I know is this monochrome snow that soaks my boots. But this monosnowchrome isn't too bad either. For I am so deeply in love with you, you silvery sky, you fervent flakes. So, what has the snowstorm taught us? We ask again as it rages still. For me, this has been a year of yearning, a decade turning, a lifetime ahead, of unlearning and learning. A good deal of discerning our true characters. I think that these are my lessons from the snowstorm.